Hey everyone, today we're comparing three popular platforms for building online communities: Kajabi, Circle.so, and Mighty Networks. We'll explain each one and then see which is best for your needs. Let's jump in. First up, Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one tool for creators, coaches, and businesses. It's great for making and selling online courses, memberships, and digital products. It has a community feature too, where members can chat, join groups, and even attend live video calls. Kajabi keeps everything in one place: courses, marketing, and community, so you don't need extra tools. Next, Circle.so. This one's built just for community. It's perfect for creators, educators, and coaches who want a space for discussions, events, and learning. You can create separate areas for chats, posts, and live streams. It's easy to use with a clean design and lets members connect in fun ways like polls and group chats. Last, Mighty Networks. This platform is all about community too, but it also offers courses and memberships. You can build a space where members post, chat, and join events like webinars. It's super flexible, mixed discussions, live streams, and courses in one spot. Plus, it has a great mobile app for your members to stay connected on the go. Now let's compare. If you want a community tied to courses and don't mind a simpler setup, Kajabi is awesome. It's an all-in-one deal, perfect for selling and engaging at the same time. But its community tools aren't as deep as the others. Circle.so shines for pure community. It's simple, user-friendly, and great for discussions, events, and building connections. If your focus is interaction and not heavy course creation, this could be your pick. Mighty Networks win for flexibility. You can mix community, courses, and events in one space. And it's got strong tools like polls and a solid mobile app. It's ideal if you want a lively, custom community. So which is best? If you're a creator selling courses and want everything in one, go with Kajabi. For a simple, focused community, pick Circle.so. And if you want a flexible community-first space with extras, try Mighty Networks. Think about your goal: selling, connecting, or both, and choose what fits. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.